Then Abimelek brought sheep and cattle and slaves and gave them to Abraham.
Take your wife.
And to Sarah he said,
I am giving 1,000 shekels of silver to cover the offense against you.
Then Abraham prayed to God, and God healed Abimelek, his wife and his female slaves, so they could have children again. For the Lord had kept all the women in Abimelek's household from conceiving because of Abraham's wife Sarah.